Dogs bring joy to life, but sometimes, certain habits can make them feel uneasy. These habits may seem harmless to humans, but they can affect a dog's happiness and well-being. Here are some common habits that might make a dog uncomfortable. Hugs may feel like love to humans, but many dogs don't see it the same way. Wrapping arms around a dog can make it feel trapped or anxious. Instead of hugging tightly, show affection by petting gently or offering a treat. Dogs have sensitive ears, and loud noises can scare them. Yelling, even when frustrated, can make a dog feel stressed or afraid. Calm tones work better when giving commands or addressing unwanted behavior. Keeping the environment as peaceful as possible will help a dog feel safe and loved. Dogs need exercise and mental stimulation to stay healthy and happy. Skipping regular walks or play sessions can lead to boredom and even behavior problems. Taking time to walk and play daily strengthens the bond with the dog and helps it release pent-up energy. Dogs communicate through body language. If a dog shows signs of fear, stress, or discomfort, ignoring these signals can make it feel worse. Watch for cues like tail tucking, growling, or avoiding eye contact. Responding with understanding shows the dog that its feelings are respected. Not all dogs enjoy meeting new people or animals. Forcing a dog into uncomfortable social situations can make it anxious. Allow the dog to approach others at its own pace and provide space when it seems overwhelmed. Dogs are social animals and need company. Leaving them alone for long hours can lead to loneliness and anxiety. If you have to leave, provide toys or puzzles to keep them occupied. The Outward Hound Nina Ottoson Dog Brick Puzzle is a fun game for dogs that keeps their minds busy. It has hidden compartments where treats can be placed, and dogs solve it by lifting or sliding pieces. This puzzle helps with mental stimulation and reduces boredom. Chews for dogs with melatonin help promote relaxation and calmness, making them perfect for reducing stress and anxiety in dogs. Zesty Paws calming chews help dogs feel calm and relax during stressful times. They are made with natural ingredients like chamomile and melatonin. These chews are great for nervous dogs or during loud events like storms. Avoiding these habits can help a dog feel more comfortable and secure. Always pay attention to a dog's needs and preferences to create a happy and stress-free environment for it.